Let's make Peggle, but it's multiplayer. Now, this isn't really like a Peggle remake, but the game is heavily inspired by one of the most addicting games of all time, Peggle. This devlog is gonna show the progress of the game, which we are calling Pegged Off, that me and Justin have been working on in the last month and a half. The idea of this game is that you shoot down pegs with each color worth a different number of points, like the green pegs being worth 250, blue pegs being worth 100, purple pegs being worth 50, and orange pegs being worth 20. With these points, you can either buy a buff for yourself when it's your turn, or buy a nerf for when it's the other player's turn. Then after the game, whoever has the highest points would win. In the future, we would like to add like a rank mode as well with like leaderboards, but for now, we're just working on the core concept of the game. For the base core of the game, we would need a cannon, a system to spawn and shoot the cannonballs, a system to spawn pegs, a nerf and buff shop, a turn system, and lastly, we would need multiplayer to sync all these systems between the two players. Now, making the cannon wasn't that hard. I just had to make the art for it and made it follow the player's mouse while setting a max rotation clamp. And then for the next two systems were also quite easy to add since I already made a spawning plugin for Godot. So I just used my plugin and I got it all to work in less than an hour. And for the ball physics, I made the cannon apply an impulse to the ball when you left click your mouse. Now, adding the shop was a bit easier for me since I got Justin to make all the art for it and all the icons, and I just had to code it. And I decided to code the button animations with tweens rather than just animating it with an animation play, which would have been a lot easier, but I really just wanted to learn how to use tweens, and I thought that would have been a good practice. With the basics in place, the next big hurdle was getting the turn system working. I'm going to be honest to you, I don't really recall this much, but I do remember it breaking like 4 different times during me and Justin's playtesting for the last month and a half. Also, while I was reading back the project commits to write down this video script, I noticed that the only commit that was all caps was the one about getting the first version of the turn system working. And spoiler by the way, it broke like immediately when we added multiplayer to work for Steam. Also, what the hell was happening on March 6th? I do not remember any context of that day. Lastly, I had to add multiplayer.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
To the game and make sure every single thing in the game was synced. At first, I didn't realize how hard this was gonna be because I never made a multiplayer thing before, and how I spent like 25% of the time adding content to the game while the other 75% of the time was just making it all sync. Like, from now on, I have so much more respect for every multiplayer game ever. Like, I understand these memes now. Also, this would have been like 100 times harder if Godot, Steam by Gramps, and the other brilliant contributors never coded that version of Godot. So thank you so much. I'm gonna end the video here now and see you guys with another update in 2 more months.